clearer picture of the plebiscite issue on Cabanatuan City may finally be seen this week. We'll have the full story from Snow Badwa.
Although the plebiscite for their highly urbanization has long been delayed, Cabanatueños are still vigilant about the issue. As of the moment, attention is with COMELEC as the election body is set to decide on the temporary restraining order. It was reported that the decision on the implementation of the yes or no elections will be issued tomorrow. Last July, none other than President Benigno Simeon Aquino III proclaimed Cabanatuan as a highly urbanized city which will be ratified by the power of the people's votes. Under the law, 120 days after a presidential proclamation should a plebiscite in an HUC candidate city be implemented. But almost 4 months have gone by. The provincial government is still seen to be against it.
Ito ay in violation na ng batas na kung saan ang pagkakatanda ko na si Pangulong Noy ay naging chairman ng local government committee.
Aside from President Aquino, a number of most seasoned and well-regarded government officials have also expressed full support to the highly urbanization of Cabanatuan.
Kapag naging highly urbanized naman ang isang lugar, positibo ang mensaheng pinapadalo sa mga negosyante o mamumuhunan.
As of the moment, there are already 33 cities in the country hallmarked as highly urbanized city, and these include Makati, Parañaque, Bacolod, Taguig, and Baguio City. Majority of these experience high-rocketing investment opportunities and job generation not just for the city itself, but for neighboring towns and municipalities as well.
Lahat na rin nung karatig bayan namin ay magkakaroon siya ng ripple effect. Ripple effect. Dahil kasi pagpunta nila rito, pwede silang magkaroon rin ng trabaho rito.
Sensing that realization of the plebiscite is taking too long, Mayor Vergara told PTV that he might pay the President a courtesy call to seek guidance and enlightenment.
Ito na ang panahon na ako'y dapat pumunta at pupunta na ako talaga sa ating Pangulo para malaman niya kung ano yung mga nangyayari dito at maipakita yung mga abuses na ginagawa sa atin ng ating gobernador.
Meanwhile, we roamed around Cabanatuan to feel the pulse of the people. And here we found out that no matter how long the delay will be, Cabanatueños will patiently wait for the elections that will ultimately decide which is the best for their city.
Yes ako sa HUC kasi marami na trabaho dito sa Cabanatuan. Mas marami pang oportunidad ang papasok dito pag nanalo ang yes.
Yes tayo.
Bakit?
Okay yung yes eh.
No ako dyan, sorry.
Bakit?
Walang personalan dyan. Wala namang mangyayari dyan eh.
Sa tingin ko, uunlad kami. Maraming trabaho, maraming tao. Kaya, HUC.
For the People's Television, this is Snow Badwa, Cabanatuan City.